What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdie, Gator. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's kind of windy. We are headed into Dalry. Yes, Dalry. We found some really great deals last time we were here, so I can't wait to show you guys what's new for the week. Just looking outside on the little posters, we have summer fun items, $1. Of course, love the big sticker here. Chiller of the week. Party treat frozen desserts. These are so good. The only thing is you only get 3 in a box. Okay. And bagged ice for $1. Hi. How are you? Good. Whoa. All the glow sticks. The glow balls, bracelets, the necklaces, the wands. We also have the 4th of July ones. Father's Day cards. Probably half price, I'm guessing. This is my first time seeing this one. Salt in the air, sand in my hair. That's so cute. And then we have palm trees and ocean breeze. These are really pretty. Summer is better at the beach. Sea, sun, and sand. These are so cute. Super cute. The inflatables, the fishing nets. Oh, these are so cute. The little pinwheels. Those are really cute. We have stripes. A variety of stripes and dots. These are so cute, kind of Eastery. Really cute though. Oh, what's this? A luggage tag. We have 4th of July items. It's looking a little empty. Oh, what are these? Tropical vibes. These are definitely new. These are cute little inflatables. I'm not sure if they're balloons or not, but they are really cute. Happy summer. Strawberry. Aww. It comes with a little straw. Hanging decoration. So cute. The big pineapples. My store is feeling a little bit picked over. Ooh, look at these balloons. I like how these look. I think I want to get a bag. I always like to have balloons on hand for birthdays. All the chalk is back in stock. These ones are so cute. I love that. And the little chalk holders. Those come with, I think, 5 pieces of chalk and 3 holders. Last week I was out of state and had a lot of fun at that location. Like, so much fun. So hopefully we find lots of good stuff here in this location today. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Aww. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, look, you guys, these are back. But this time they're blue. This is actually a brand new display. Remy Rose. We have Nora, Jenna, Christy, Kendall, Evie, Savannah, Georgia, Megan, Audrey, and Daisy. And then we have Gracie and Charlie. And we have an exfoliator. Hi.
Hello.
Nice to see you. These are brand new. The Color Sensational lip glosses. This is definitely a brand new color. Mocha Amazing. It's a pretty color. I think we just have the Mocha Amazing. We have more over here, but these are also just the Mocha Amazing. Really pretty though. A nice color. It looks like it would work for everyone. One of those universal colors. And then we still have the liquid highlighter. We still have the Cushion Highlight by Wet n Wild. And the Flush by Revlon is still here. I've heard so many great things about this Ioni lash glue. I've never tried it, but I do have a couple at home. Anything else? Let's see. I think these are new. The Luxury 100% Acetone nail polish removers. We also have this variety. Oh, I guess they're the same. These are 6 ounces. We also have 100% acetone here. Those are 6 ounces. Also 6 ounces for the strengthening and 6 ounces for the regular. So even though that looks really small, it's the same size. They're all the same size. The Nerf Band-Aids, I think these are new. This is a new print. I am currently wearing some Peeps Band-Aids that the Just Born company, aka Peeps, sent me. And they're so cute because they have bunnies all over them. I pulled off a hangnail and figured you guys didn't want to look at that. So you will be looking at my Band-Aid all week because I'm going to be doing all my filming in one day. Dreamwater Original Sleep Stat Natural Blend Snoozeberry 0 calories. Wake feeling refreshed. Those are definitely new. I've never heard of Dreamwater before. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever tried those. I saw these in my other location last week. I think they're so pretty because you guys know how I feel about pearls. They are so cute. I think this print is new for the week. We have a variety of scrunchies this week. I feel like maybe we've seen those in the past though. These ones are so pretty, the silky ones. So cute. And then these are back. These are like $2 on clearance at Walmart right now. I would much rather get them here. The velvet with the pearls. We have pink and pearls, purple and pearls. These are brand new as well, super cute. We also have pink up here. Nice. I think I'm going to end this video here, you guys, because we have a lot to look at, and I'm going to be heading over to more aisles. So you guys definitely come back to the very next video. We will be looking at more items. We'll just go ahead and start right here in the next video with these brand new juncture scarves. If you haven't subscribed yet, you guys, please consider subscribing and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. I have a lot of new things to share with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.